Welcome to Madison Greens, Jefferson County's newest townhome community offering walkable access to shopping, dining, and daily conveniences. Located in Ranson, West Virginia, Madison Greens sits in a sweet spot for regional access located just minutes to Route 9 and 340. Now let's kick it off to Maria to explore the surrounding area.
You'll enjoy easy access to Harpers Ferry in Martinsburg, and it's only a 30-minute drive to Frederick. Charlestown is just a few blocks away, offering a charming array of diners, cafes, and restaurants. Spend your weekends in Old Town Winchester, just 30 minutes away. Or 30 minutes in the other direction lands you in downtown Frederick. Enjoy a variety of dining options, breweries, and shops.
Whether you're commuting, day tripping, or just craving variety, living here means you're never far from something exciting. And the best part? Your everyday essentials are all within walking distance here at Potomac Marketplace. From Home Depot to fresh groceries at Weis, a quick bite to eat at Chick-fil-A, or coffee runs to Dunkin', you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. Discover the Townhomes at Madison Greens, featuring brand new 3-level floor plans designed with bright open spaces, backyards, and even a 1-car garage. From the seamless flow between the living room and gourmet kitchen to the spacious primary suite and generous secondary bedrooms, every detail is crafted for comfort and functionality. Whether you're growing your family or simply craving more room to breathe, you'll appreciate the thoughtful layout and the added bonus of secure parking and organized storage in your private 1-car garage. Join the interest list today and ensure you receive important information and updates. We can't wait to welcome you home to Madison Greens.